This video sponsored by the RealCall app. Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. In this video I will talk about spam calls and messages and how to block them to prevent receiving too many calls and messages from spammers. Spam calls and messages are incredibly annoying and can disrupt your daily routine. Whether you're in the middle of a meeting or just trying to relax at home, getting bombarded with unwanted phone intrusions can be frustrating. So do the tactics of spammers, making it harder to avoid them. So, what can you do to reduce these unwanted calls and messages? In this video, we'll be sharing with you the ultimate guide to help you block and reduce unwanted phone intrusions. Introducing the RealCall. RealCall is an app support to all mobile phones now. We can download it from Google Play Store and App Store also. RealCall support to AI-powered spam call identification and blocking. Powered by advanced AI tech, RealCall can accurately identify various types of spam and scam calls. It can intelligently block them swiftly before the phone rings. Say goodbye to the annoyance and deception from spam and scam calls. Fraud SMS detection via large language model developed by OpenAI. RealCall mobilizes the power of GPT-4 technology to deeply comprehend the purposes behind text messages. RealCall effectively blocks fraudulent messages, ensuring maximum security. We can read customers' feedback from App Center before downloading. The million peoples trust this service. And we can see huge downloads also. So let's find now how to put this app to protect our mobile from spammers. I am going to download this RealCall app from App Store. If you are Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. When you type Google Play Store you will find too many apps calling RealCall. But make sure to download Real app. You can find it following this logo. This is the Real app we need to download. We'll cover all the bases and help you take control of your digital life. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of spam. This is the Real app we need to download. Spam calls and messages come in various forms, ranging from sales, phishing attempts, seeking personal information. They can also pose a significant risk to our privacy and security. So that's why we need to block them. Let's set up the app, prevent receiving spammers' calls and messages. First, opening the Ask to Allow notifications. We can allow it. Then give simple answers about your phone getting spam messages and calls. And this little quiz also. This looks like promotion messages. Usually we get huge number of promotion messages. We can block them also following this RealCall app. These apps use extensive databases of known spam numbers and employ advanced algorithms to detect and filter out unwanted calls before they even reach your phone. There are messaging apps that offer robust spam filtering features. These apps can automatically. We can use this app with premium features free for 1 week. Or you can try this free, with free features. Choose is yours. After opening the app, we can see like this interface. Now we should enable this features. We can enable this features following video instruction, given by the app. Before start we need to add our mobile number to prevent receiving spam messages and calls. Verify with the OTP code, received to mobile. Now we can see video instructions to active this app as our spam shield. Just follow this video instruction to active this app. Now we can see active caller ID option. And we should enable this block spam call option and fraud message detection also. It's easy to active. The show video instructions to active them. I fast forward this step to prevent create long video. However, it's very easy to active this app, because they always give you video instructions from the app. Okay, finally we can see all features activated. Now you are fully protected by the spammers, who are calling to you and who are giving spam messages to your mobile number. After few hours we can open the app and we can see, does it worked or not. We can see all missed calls and all blocked calls from spammers. And this section show you what kind spammers identification and will protract you. I put the official RealCall website, then you can read them to get more information about this app. Comment me below this app work for you protect from spammers or not. Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.